Hello, and in my hunt to provide you with the most economical motorhomes and campervans, I come across this one here, the Davis 590. Actually, I looked for it especially because I did want to show a 6-meter vehicle from a reputable manufacturer, and this thing here though is going to cost around 63 or 64,000 euros. A 6-meter campervan in height. You can see it's just the standard body of a Fiat Ducato. There's the price, 63,470, 265 centimeters in height. It's sort of cheap and cheerful. Oh, sorry, I use the word cheap because I know it's a fortune. It does have, however, a very nice large skylight up there, so that consider that to be a little bit of a plus point. And it also has a skylight at the rear above the bed as well, so that's another plus point. Bed here, width-wise, we've got storage around the bed, and here we've got a fridge, and below it we've got more storage, wardrobe. In here is the washroom, and it's using this plastic thing here to keep the toilet dry. There's the toilet, and obviously it's not a huge amount of head height because I mean I can get myself in okay, but maybe not everybody will be able to. People have told me. I'll just demonstrate actually by looking at myself here in the mirror. You see, so there's not a lot of space above my head, but hey, I'm 2 meters. Sorry, I'm not 2 meters. I'm 1.75 meters. We've got 2 burners here. We've got a sink. But note it is a nice molded sink. It's got a proper large drainage point, and under this we have got some storage as well, drawers above as well. So it's a basic campervan. Table which will fold up to 3 sizes, kitchen extension, place to put your sandals. And let's come to the back. So you can see what the storage is like. And as always with every camper van comes, well, or nearly every camper van, you've got 3 mattresses here. This part here will lift up and you put it to one side. You've got a lot of storage space below. You've got a room here in the gas cupboard for 2 large gas cylinders, so it's quite reasonable. It does the job. It doesn't have anything which is overtly flash. It does, however, have 2 windows at the rear, so not too bad. And for those wanting something a little bit larger, we've got this thing here, Davis 620. 636 centimeter Fiat Ducato, 66,000 euros. What this has got is lengthwise beds at the back for those who are a little bit taller. Everything else is the same. There's the door without the light on. Let's go into another one just to make the point. The Davis 591 here comes at a cost of, there you go, under 60,000, 59 or 60,000 let's say. And what's this got? Double bunk beds at the back. I think it's probably going over the top a bit, but there you go. Hey, I'll put the lights on as well if they're working. Put the lights on, there you go. That's that on. Yeah, that's that. Pressing it quickly, none of them seem to like. Anyways, double bunks at the back, and yeah, washroom. Slightly different here. 2 burners and a sink. So there's also a version here with a bed that goes up and down. It's electric, got a large storage area. This, however, you're looking at now 64,340. I think that's a pretty good idea actually, because you can put a motorbike even in the back, which, there you go, that's what it looks like here. Bed will go right to the top. It's a huge amount of storage. You've got a ramp there as well to put the motorbike in with. And there's yet another one up here, which I can demonstrate. Here we have the Davis Trend Style 540. This is only 542 centimeters, 60,000 euros again, or just under. What's this? It's a short vehicle. So the bed at the back, it's contoured around the toilet, wardrobes above, and cabinets up there. Didn't turn the light on again. Here we are. So the toilet is quite tiny. You have to save space somewhere, but the fact is it's functional, and that for me is a positive thing. So you can sort of might have to sit on the toilet. You'd open the chair up, open this up so you get be a bit more comfortable. Sit on that, and you can have a shower. They've taken the shower head off. You know what? I hope that was the staff who took the shower head off, and not somebody who helped themselves to it. Shower, I paid for a shower head, what was it, 39 watts or something, what's that, €7. Anyway, right, there you go. Karmann, Mobil. I think being part of Trigano group, it's more reliable than some of the brands. I mean, you can't find a vehicle that's 10,000 euros cheaper, but you're going to get 10,000 euros worth of problems. So something like this is relatively simple, and it does the job. And no thrills, no additional height on the roof or anything like that, but it works, and that, I think, is the point. So I hope you found that interesting. I upload every day at 21:15. This is the largest channel on YouTube for Vanlife. It's the largest collection of motorhomes and campervans. There aren't many caravans though, in fact there's only about 10. But for motorhomes and campervans, if that's what you're interested in, this is the place to be. And I also have a lot of new innovations. I'm at Caravan Salon, where the innovations are often shown, and particularly of a particular interest is the equipment that you can get for the vehicles. But anyway, never mind for that for the moment. Thanks very much, and all the best from me in Germany. Bye for now.